去到第26條啦，就有關於喺呢個植物入面啊，佢進行咗呢一個嘅細胞分裂，究竟有咩嘅功能呢？首先啊，邊一款細胞分裂頭先都講咗俾你聽㗎啦，mitotic cell division 有絲細胞分裂，然後就考翻我哋啦。喂，咁呢款細胞分裂有啲咩嘅功能呢？1、2、3咧，我講咗答案俾你聽先，就係3個都關事。但係問題就點解得40%同學啱？有絲細胞分裂大家都識㗎啦，細胞分裂產生嘅就係遺傳上同親本細胞完全相同嘅新細胞，以供生長同修補已受損嘅組織，同埋進行無性繁殖。咁今次1、2、3咧，冇一樣嘢係無性繁殖嚟，薄壁細胞嘅增殖，其實就係講緊我哋呢個 apical 嘅 meristem 係嘛，生成嘅組織就係主力做細胞分裂嘅。佢哋就係一啲薄壁嘅細胞。第3就係去更替翻我哋個根冠嘅細胞，因為整完嘅細胞咧就會向下推，就會去咗個根冠嗰處。因為條根咧一直轉落泥土咧，根冠嘅細胞係會受損嘅。咁我哋要去補足翻佢，修復翻佢。咁其實有啲同學咧就係糾結緊，究竟係2、3啊，定係1、2、3咧？好多同學就冇揀到1嘅，佢哋話，從合子變胚胎 from zygote formation of embryo 呢個係人類嘅繁殖啊嘛 ，human reproduction 啊嘛，係咪？你真係當啲植物唔識做有性繁殖㗎？植物全完花粉係咪做受精啊？受精係咪真係有合子啊？由合子咁梗係要做細胞分裂先變做胚胎㗎啦。你諗下，如果喺植物當中佢唔識得做合子變胚胎，又何來有個 embryo 胚根啊？胚莖啊，plumule radicle 喺粒種子入面俾你揾到啊，所以其實1、2、3都關事嘅。咁當然啦，今次都講到明係植物嘅。其實過往咧，佢有啲題目咧都特登咁陰你嘅。佢有啲細胞啦，搣完4個細胞啦，因為整嗰啲咁樣嘅配置咧，咁咪係1開2，2開4啊嘛，係咪？整完之後啦，咁有啲咧genetic material 喺當中，咁佢亦都提埋你啦，佢咧進行呢個減數分裂喎，meiosis 或者 meiotic cell division 喎，然後就問你啦，哎呀喺個生物嘅咩地方會發生呢？然後無啦啦俾咗一個你啦，例如 tetis 同埋 anther 睾丸同埋呢個花藥，死啦！喂，兩個都可以整到嘅咩喎？係咪啊？但係啦，呢幅圖佢其實特登係俾咗個 cell wall 嚟嘅。所以睾丸係冇可能嘅，只會係花藥 anther 嘅啫。咁所以有陣時睇題目嘅時候咧，就小心呢啲鬼鼠位啦。咁呢個題目啦，做咩題型變奏咧？就係啦，用翻幅圖啊，去指出同埋解釋翻，喂，呢一個嘅細胞分裂係邊一款啊？咁一定係有絲細胞分裂㗎啦。咁點解咧？用翻幅圖可唔可以解釋俾我聽咧？Question 26 is about the function of this type of cell division in plants. So, for the concept checking, we need to identify the type of cell division first. Surely, as what I mentioned, that it is mitotic cell division. And then we need to recall the function of the mitotic cell division. So, I tell you the answer first is D, 1, 2, 3. It seems like that very straightforward because what is the importance of mitotic cell division? Produce the new cells which are genetically identical to the parent cell is important for the growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Question straightforward. Answer straightforward. But how come only 40% students got it correct? I want to talk about option 2 first. The multiplication of the thin wall cell is about the apical meristem, the region of cell division. So for the apical meristem, they are the thin wall cell, and then they can undergo the cell division to increase the number of cells. And then the new cells produced, they will push to the root cap for the repairment of the root cap cells, because when the root penetrating into the soil, they may get damaged, destroyed, and then we need new cells to repair them. So most of the students, they may think that number 2, 3 is already the correct answer. But what about the option A, statement A? The formation of the embryo from zygote. Some students, they did not pick up this answer. Some students, they thought that this option is wrong because it's about the human reproduction from zygote to embryo. No. You need to recall that The flowering plant, they undergo the sexual reproduction. After pollination, there will be fertilization, and there will be zygote. And then the zygote will undergo mitotic cell division to form the embryo. Otherwise, how can you get the embryo, the plumule, the radicle in the seed, right? There is also the same process, formation of the embryo from the zygote in the flowering plant. I would like to recall one tricky question for you guys. So in a diagram, it shows you that 4 daughter cells formed. And these 4 daughter cells, it says that they are the gamete formed after the meiosis, and then ask you that, this kind of cell division will take place in which following organs? So one is testis and one is the anther. So both of them are surely they can undergo the meiotic cell division to produce the gamete. However, in the diagram, it shows you that the cell, they have cell wall. Therefore, the final answer must be the anther, but not the testis. Why? Because, cell wall, plant cell wall. Testis is the animal organ, right? So that's why testis say goodbye. So one reminder, read the question carefully. And one possible question variation, by using the graph, state and explain the type of cell division shown in the graph. So I have already told you that is mitotic cell division, but by using the graph, how can you explain? Any evidence you can recall